Great team. Can you all can see the screen that I am just showing it up?
Yes, sir,
Yes,
we
sir.
can see.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Clearly.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Great.
Clearly.
Thank you very much. Welcome to our first webinar session. And the topic today that we would be discussing is psychology of buying. Okay? Psychology of buying is nothing but to understand why we buy what we buy, right? So every minute, every moment, we are all in the process of buying something or the other, right? Today, because of the coronavirus thing, we are buying essentials. When the office opens up, people will buy something else, and so on and so forth. So buying is a never-ending process. But what happens is, to understand the psychology of buying is very critical in understanding the entire selling process. If you don't understand why people buy, what is the mental process, what they go through, you will never ever be able to sell any product whatsoever. If you don't understand the buying process, the sales will always be fluke. Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So moving on. Uh, to understand the buying process, there is a beautiful book called The Science of Selling, which I have already shared with you, each one of you, the link of it, which is written by David Hoffield. So I am taking a few elements from this particular book, which is a beautiful book, which explains the entire buying decision process. Okay, the entire buying decision process is given by an equation, which I will definitely be letting know in a while. But what happens is buying is a mental process. It's a mental process. Hum chahe ya na chahe, even if you want to buy something, there is a lot of mental calculation that goes on. We don't realize it. Okay, but the mind takes the decision within a split second. If it is only at 10 rupees, suppose if you are feeling hungry in the morning and you didn't had your breakfast at home, you're coming to the office. uh, once you get down to a particular location, you feel you are very hungry and then you want to eat something. Okay, you have 10 rupees with you. Now the option is whether to eat a dosa or a vada pav or a poha or a upma. You have a thousand different options, plus you have a budget. Okay, then there is an option of taste as well. Here I don't like dosas, I don't like pohas, I don't like upmas. I'm just giving an example. Okay, so what happens is you will end up buying something which fits in your 10 rupees, which matches your taste buds, and which is also very quick to eat. Am I good?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Yes,
Correct.
sir.
Right? But what happens is you don't know that your brain is already doing a lot of calculations. But what happens is in our day-to-day life, we don't realize this. Right? And suppose if you have a friend with you, and if your friend asks कि क्या खाना है, you will immediately say poha or upma or idli. But your friend doesn't know that there is a lot of equation that has gone. कि you have seen mentally calculated budget कितना है तुम्हारे पास. You have mentally calculated how much time it takes to eat. You have mentally calculated whether it suits my taste buds, and so on and so forth. Right? So understanding this entire mental process is a science, and understanding is very critical to be successful in sales. Now the sales equation or the buying decision is characterized by this simple equation. Anyone's guess what is this equation? Can anyone take a wild guess on this? Anyone? So BD is nothing but buying decision. Okay, buying decision is characterized by a simple formula, is a function of 6 W's and ES. 6 W stand for 6 Y's.
Emotional state.
ES stand for emotional state. Okay, your entire buying decision journey falls ओनली दिस पर्टिकुलर इक्वेशन, इसके अलावा देयर इज नथिंग। अगर आपको कोई भी बोलता है कि यार बाइंग डिसीजन में मैंने ये है वो है, इग्नोर इट। दिस इज द ओनली इक्वेशन दैट पीपल फॉलो इन योर बाइंग डिसीजन। टिल नाउ क्लियर?
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
clear, sir.
So
Yes, sir.
but what happens whenever a person does a buying decision? It is a process, and in a segment like B2B, or in a category like B2B, business to business, wherein the decision making is a slow and complex process, this equation holds very much true. Now this equation looks very simple, but there is a science behind it. The commitments to 6 whys. Every why you need to get your buyer or customer's commitment. वो हाँ बोलना चाहिए। अगर वो हाँ नहीं बोला एक भी why पे, then your deal will not progress. It will get stuck in some way or the other. Okay. Plus, he has to be in a positive emotional state. When I say positive emotional state, whenever your buyer buys a product, he needs to feel happy about it. Having your product, यार मैंने कुछ अच्छा चीज खरीदा है, या because of buying your product I am feeling good, or I have achieved something, or my boss will say good to me because I have made a good decision. Whatever it is, it has to evoke that positive emotional state. If these two things happen, only then your sale will happen. Any questions till now? Clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Any questions?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. So let's see what are these 6 whys that we are talking of. First is why change. Okay, so now let's imagine a situation as a Vendiman salesperson. You are going to a customer. You want to understand the buying process. Okay, you need to first get his commitment to the 6 whys, and then you also need to evoke a positive feeling into him. So what is the first why that you will tell? The first why that you will tell is why he should change now. राइट? चेंज क्यों जरूरी है उसको, मतलब अभी उसके पास वेंडिंग मशीन है नहीं, सो व्हाई ही शुड चेंज टू वेंडिंग मशीन. दैट इज द फर्स्ट व्हाई.
Correct.
राइट?
Yeah.
सेकंड व्हाई नाउ. अभी ही क्यों चेंज करना है? 10 साल बाद क्यों नहीं? 50 साल बाद क्यों नहीं? 10 दिन बाद क्यों नहीं? व्हाई ही हैज टू टेक दैट डिसीजन नाउ. थर्ड why your industry solution. When I say industry solution, I am still not talking about the company Vendiman. I am talking of why vending solution. Why not pantry? Why not tuck shop? Why not food solution? Why not something else? Why only vending solution? Are we good?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Fourth one. Now, since you have got your commitment, yes, you have got your answers for why change now, why change, why now, why your industry solution is better. Then we talk about why you and your company. Right? Why you and your company is capable of delivering this solution. Why Vendiman is Vendiman, and why it will be able to deliver the solution that you are looking in for. That is the fourth why. Fifth why your product? Why the 34-inch vending machine only? Why the Sega machine only? Why the XY machine only? Why TCN machine only? Why sanitary machine only? Why your particular product can help solve the problem? And last but not the least, मैंने सब बता दिया है. I have got commitments from the buyer on all the 5 whys. The moot question remains, why spend the money? Right?
Correct.
मैंने सब बता दिया है उसको, सब whys पे उससे कमिटमेंट ले लिया है. but the final proof in the pudding is whether he will spend the money to buy the product. सब तो ज्ञान ठीक है, but will he be paying money to take my product? Am I right?
Yes, sir. Correct, sir.
Right, sir. We will think.
Yeah. That is where, even after all the 5 whys, where all our sales people get stuck is the 6th why. कि और पैसा क्यों खरीदना, मतलब पैसा क्यों मेरे में स्पेंड करना चाहिए. वेंडीमैन में मैंने इतना उसको ज्ञान दिया है, why should he be spending money on me or on my product? Right? These are the 6 whys which a customer goes through his mind, or as a seller we need to guide him. अगर ये 6 में से एक भी स्टेप ऊपर नीचे हुआ, it will create objections. Why these 6 whys are important? The root cause of every objection. One of the topic that you all have selected is how to negate the objections, right?
Right, sir.
तो मुझे बहुत सारे लोगों से ये मिला है कि मुझे बहुत सारा ऑब्जेक्शंस आता है. सो वन ऑफ द टॉपिक्स इज हाउ टू अवॉइड ऑब्जेक्शंस और हाउ टू मैनेज द ऑब्जेक्शंस फ्रॉम अ सेल्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू. So this is the root cause of every objection. If your sales pitch doesn't fit into these 6 whys, हर स्टेप पे आपका ऑब्जेक्शन आते रहेगा. एंड आपका जो भी ऑब्जेक्शन है, आप चाहे तो गिन लो, देख लो, आपका जो भी ऑब्जेक्शन है, इट हैज टू फिट इनटू दिस 6 whys. आपने अभी वेंडीमैन के साथ, संजय आप 2 साल से हो ऑलमोस्ट, आकाश आप हो, आपको जितने भी ऑब्जेक्शंस आए होंगे, जितने भी, आप जब भी अगर इफ यू आर नोटेड दिस पॉइंट्स, पीछे जाके देखो और 6 वाई में फिट करने को ट्राई करो, किसी ना किसी में ये फिट आएगा. इसके बाहर आपका नहीं जाएगा कोई भी. ओके, अल्टीमेटली उसको वाई पे आएगा, इसलिए मतलब 6 वाई पे आएगा. Why should I spend money? Why should I pay 10,000 rupees as a service charge? Because you have not given him the urgency. Because you have not sold the value. It is connected to one of those whys. Okay. This also helps identify source of the buyer's objection. It helps to improve continuously. Once we understand कि कहाँ पे उसको objection है, we start improving the sales pitch in that particular why.
Subject, yeah.
Okay. When you lose sale, you will exactly know which why the buyer rejected. उसको अपना प्रोडक्ट पसंद नहीं आया, उसको अपना इंडस्ट्री का सॉल्यूशन ही नहीं पसंद आया, उसको अपना कंपनी का सॉल्यूशन पसंद नहीं आया, उसको अभी चेंज नहीं करना है, उसको चेंज ही नहीं करना है. These are all the elements that you will have. अगर उसको चेंज नहीं करना है तो फर्स्ट वाई विल कैंसिल. मतलब यू आर बार्किंग एट द रॉन्ग ट्री, यू आर चेजिंग द रॉन्ग क्लाइंट. उसको चेंज करना है, लेकिन उसको 10 साल बाद चेंज करना है, अगेन यू आर बार्किंग एट द रॉन्ग ट्री. Am I making some sense now?
Yes, sir. Definitely.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Right? So today we will be talking about the 6th why. मैं बाकी 5 whys मैं आपको नहीं अभी बताऊंगा. This is not the topic of our discussion today. The topic of our discussion is the psychology of buying, why we buy, what we buy. The most important is why should a customer spend money is the most important why. मैं ये assume करके चल रहा हूं मैं. Okay, you also hypothetically need to assume that you have covered all those 5 whys. Customer said yes to all the 5 whys. उसको चेंज करना है, अभी करना है, इंडस्ट्री सॉल्यूशन अच्छा लगा, आपका सॉल्यूशन अच्छा लगा, आपका प्रोडक्ट अच्छा लगा, बट अभी पैसे देने की बारी आई है. So I will be covering only the 6th why. The 5 whys, let's assume that you all have been successful in that. Clear? Good to go?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why spend the money? This is the 6th why. So Sanjay, can you tell me what has been your latest purchase?
Latest purchase.
Hello.
Yeah, go on.
Yeah, we can hear you.
Latest purchase is earphone.
Okay. Anyone else has bought any other thing?
Sir, I purchased ration, sir, for home.
Okay. Anything else?
That is essential thing, so that we can't count here, I think.
Yeah, essentials is for everyone, but anything that you wanted to have it. Anyone? Quickly. See, this is an open session. This is not a question answer session.
Right.
Unless and until you people are interactive, this will not make sense. Honestly telling you, like it will become a teacher session, which I don't want to. You need to be interactive. Only then we will benefit from learning from.
So majorly I invested on majorly on this time and block period in the food sector, sir. Especially food ration, घर के लिए ration के लिए.
Understood.
Apart from that, I didn't buy mobiles, gold, सोने के लिए focus ही नहीं किया sir.
Okay. So Anil, Manisha, Umesh, Akash, Umed, anyone did any other purchases?
Nothing apart from grocery.
No, recently I just want to tell one thing also. Recently I bought one shoe which is not required, but still I bought it. So I think that will fit here in this section. So
Okay,
that was
Sanjay,
not
can we
required,
just
but still I bought it. Yeah.
great. So can we just take a minute to discuss why you bought it?
The shoe which I was using earlier, it was good. So it was a gym shoe actually, so it was good. But still, I bought a new one because I felt it will give me more comfortable, and yeah. So there are a lot of yeah, comfort was the first reason, and yeah, second thing. Uh, Second thing,
Akash, can you 1 minute, Sanjay?
getting brand, yeah.
Yeah, so Akash, can you just write down the points what Sanjay is mentioning? He has mentioned point number 1, comfort. Go on, Sanjay.
Main comfort was the main, and second option was the last shoe was very old, right? So I thought of buying the new one. So this two was a major thing.
Okay, so old to replace with new and comfort. These are the two reasons. Okay,
Yeah,
Anil,
so-
you bought, Anil, last year you bought a mobile phone, right? Anil, you there?
Yeah, sir. Yes, sir.
Yeah, you bought a mobile phone. Can you tell me the reasons why you bought a mobile phone? Anil, can you quickly?
First
Yeah,
thing is
please.
that मेरा जो old phone था that got damaged. Okay, because since it's an expensive product, we actually don't buy regularly. So अगर कुछ आपका चीज खराब हो जाता है and it is very essential for you in today's market, then you can purchase that. So
नहीं, so
first thing था कि
I
मेरा
am
जो
just-
पुराना फोन था वो खराब हो गया.
या पुराना फोन खराब हो गया आपका मतलब it was just not working at all or it was working and it was still
हाँ.
okay. Hello, Sanjay, can you hear me?
No, sir. It was not working at all, sir.
Okay, what was the other
That's the
reason?
reason, sir.
What was the other reason? Why you bought only that mobile?
Hello.
Yeah, why you bought only that mobile? Which one you bought? Whichever.
So actually the thing is that the second option की comfort तो है ये and third वो cheaper था sir. Yeah. The only reason वो था कि उसका I got good offer and as compared to other phones it was very cheaper इसके लिए and I got lot many features in that. So that's the reason why I bought that phone only. So the first thing is that damage हो गया था. Second of course comfort क्योंकि उसके बिना होगा नहीं. And third is the like more features
Fair enough.
in less cost.
Okay, Anil. So Akash, you have noted down the points, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Okay. So there is a reason why I'm asking this. We will approach this particular topic towards the end of our discussion. So what I'm trying to say is, over a period of time or in our lifetime, we try to buy many things which we like, which we don't like, because there are some offers. We buy our house, we buy accessories, phones, cars, shopping, and so on and so forth. Okay. There is always a reason why we spend money. Okay. Sellers are always selling the product. There is a car salesman, there is a house salesman, and the buyers are always spending the money on it. Okay.
Correct, sir.
Correct, sir.
There is a buying decision journey that happens from should I buy it to I'll definitely buy it. ये एक लंबा जर्नी होता है from should I buy it, यार खरीदूं नहीं खरीदूं क्या करूं, नहीं मैं आज खरीदूंगा ही खरीदूंगा. The distance between these two blocks in your mind is a long journey. It's a long complex journey, right? And this complete complex journey is made possible by primary buying motives, which is the dominant buying motives, and positive emotional state. Right? So what happens is the dominant buying
Okay,
motives,
correct, sir.
the dominant buying motives are nothing but these are the primary motives जो दिमाग में ट्रिगर करता है खरीदना है करके, which starts influencing your buying decision. And these dominant buying motives are comprises of two most important triggers, which I will tell you. Okay, plus positive emotional state. So buying decision journey from should I buy to buy it is characterized by dominant buying motives and positive emotional state. Now let's look at dominant buying motives. The dominant buying motives, which is part number 1, are triggered by only 2 parameters. Only 2. There is no third. And this is scientifically proven. This is not said by Prakash or someone else, but these 2 are scientifically proven. You can go to any website, you can go to any internet, Google, you can search it. These are the only 2 areas which triggers your buying decision. 1, desire for gain. 2, fear of loss. Let me repeat it again. The triggers are only the 2 triggers are desire for gain and fear of loss.
Fear of loss.
And in simple terms, if I have to say it, gain and pain. Okay. So what happens? Most of the companies, most of the salespersons, most of the marketing persons, what they try to do is they try to move the customer closer to gain and try to move the customer away from the pain. Let me repeat this again. Most of the companies, sellers, move their customers closer to gain and away from pain. Any particular example that you can think of?
For example, the cell phone. Like, hello.
Yeah. So how do you move your customers closer to gain and away from pain?
So in games, they highlight the positive thing, how it is helpful for you in a daily life. आप ये कर सकते हो, वो कर सकते हो. For example, iPhone, privacy. Then it's more official. Or when it comes to pain, so as you said कि वो pain से दूर करते, so they make you understand कि यहाँ पे security है, like, and when you lost your phone, there is an insurance thing. So maybe.
Right. So Akash is right to a great extent. So क्या होता है, आप कोई भी बाइंग डिसीजन ले लो, कोई भी छोटा सा छोटा या बड़ा सा बड़ा, as a started off with my discussion, आपके दिमाग में इतना सारा चीज चलता है. एक छोटा सा बाइक, एक पिन भी खरीदना हो तो इतना चलता है चीजें, यू डोंट रियलाइज. बट ये गेन एंड पेन का बैटल हमेशा चलता रहता है. जो मैंने सवेरे ब्रेकफास्ट वाला एग्जांपल लिया था, व्हाई यू हैव स्टक टू द पोहा और उपमा, बिकॉज पेन आपका ये था, इडली आपको खाने से मे भी शायद एसिडिटी होता है, या तो फिर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगता है, या आपका दिन पूरा खराब जाता है. दैट इज अ पेन, एंड दैट पेन कम्स फ्रॉम एक्सपीरियंस. आपने शायद इसके पहले बहुत बार इडली खाया होगा, हर बार आपको कुछ ना कुछ तकलीफ हुआ होगा. ओके, So you always try to run away from pain. And पोहा will always give you good feeling. शायद आपको आपका मेंटल ऐसा ट्रेन मेंटली आप ऐसा ट्रेन करे हो कि शायद पोहा खाने से आपका दिन अच्छा जाता है, आप चेयरफुल रहते हो, आप एनर्जी रहते हो, एनर्जेटिक रहते हो, एक्साइटेड रहते हो. Okay, so you will always try to go towards closer to gain, right? So you will always, so you don't realize it, but then you will always try to go towards gain, which will things which will give you pleasure, things which will give you happiness, things which will give you excitement, and you will always try to move away from things which will give you pain, trouble, headache. Am I clear? Are we good?
Yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. This अगर ये मेरा symptoms है, so don't you think that your buyers also go through the same phenomena,
Correct.
Yes, sir.
right?
Yeah.
So if I put our vending machine into the perspective, don't you think that they will try to move towards gain and away from the pain? If your vending solutions is giving them more headache than what they are currently facing, will they buy your product?
No.
No, not at all.
Okay.
No, sir.
Will they buy your vending solutions if your vending solutions is giving more benefits
Sure,
or more
definitely they will.
pleasure
Yes, of
than
course.
the current pains that they are already going through?
Definitely will get a placement. They will buy.
So ऐसे situation में what is our responsibility as a seller?
To understand the pain.
Perfect, Sanjay.
So understand the difficulty first.
Yes, perfect.
Understand the
Understand
customer's
the pain
pain.
and, you know,
Understand the
understand the
customer's
pain and
Solution based.
what solution or you know what profit we can give from
what the
the machine.
customer wants actually.
Exactly. So जब तक अभी हमारा सेल्स पिच कैसा होता है, मेरा कंपनी बड़ा है, मेरा कंपनी तोप है, मैं ऐसा हूँ, मेरा कंपनी नंबर 1 है, द लार्जेस्ट प्लेयर इन द मार्केट है, ये है वो है, एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. ओके, सो इफ दैट इज व्हाट द सीन इज, will a customer be even bothered to do business with you?
No.
No, sir.
You are just
No.
telling you are the best. यार तू बेस्ट है ठीक है, लेकिन उससे तू मेरा तकलीफ कैसे कम कर रहा है?
By giving solution to the problem.
उससे तू मेरा तकलीफ जब कम नहीं कर रहा है, तो you might be the best, but I don't care if you're not helping me. Same is the case with iPhone. iPhone मेरा पेन कैसे reduce कर रहा है? You might be the number 1, you might be the costliest product, but if I have to spend my money in you, you need to give me benefits which is more than the pains that I'm already having in. Right? This
Correct. Correct.
is the only two metrics or triggers that always influences a buying decision.
Correct, sir. Correct.
You will buy an emotion justifying with logic.
Ultimately what happens? आपने सुना है कि नहीं सुना ये स्टेटमेंट? People buy on emotions, like आपका दिमाग में ट्रिगर्स होता है, पेन और गेन की वजह से ट्रिगर होता है, आपके दिमाग में होता है, चलता है वो. ओके,
Correct, sir.
but what happens is people buy on emotions and justify with logic. ओके, तो कोई भी ये नहीं बोलता है कि यार तूने मुझे पेन दिया, मेरा गेन किया, ये कोई लैंग्वेज कोई बात नहीं करता. ये आपके दिमाग में, उसके दिमाग में और आपके दिमाग में चलता रहता है. बायर भी बोलता है यार सही है यार, इसने मुझे मेरे तकलीफ से बचाया है, इसने मुझे बहुत सारे बेनिफिट्स दिया है, ये दिमाग में सोचता है. ही विल नेवर टेल यू, बट व्हाट ही विल टेल इज यार आपका प्रोडक्ट बहुत अच्छा है, आप मुझे आप फ्री में दे रहे हो, डेमो दे रहे हो, ये. So he will start justifying. So I will come to that. So people always buy with emotions, with heart. Because अगर आप, मैं आज Mercedes Benz ले रहा हूँ, मैं कार ले रहा हूँ, मैं that's an emotional buying. अगर आज मैं घर ले रहा हूँ, that is an emotional buying. Okay, because it makes me feel good. It makes me feel that I have achieved in the something in the society. It makes me feel good. And always, it is justified by logic. पेन गेन इमोशंस कभी भी पिक्चर में नहीं आता है. The example that I have just taken of Sanjay and Anil, I will again talk about it in a bit in a while. But it is always the buying decisions are always justified by logic. Any particular reason why it is justified by logic? Anyone quickly?
To satisfy ourselves that that product is useful for us. I think emotions trigger us to buy, or to think about those product, but ultimately there should be some logic to buy it. So yeah, so logic basically comes to oneself only. uh, uh, yeah,
Anyone else?
logic.
Sanjay, you
Yeah.
are right. Anyone else? Okay, so quickly, Sanjay, you are right. You're bang on. So what happens is हम ये मान के चलो कि तुमने जूता खरीदा है.
है ऐसे connected?
Sorry, someone said something. Yeah, Sanjay, just imagine कि तुमने जूता खरीदा है एंड तुम अपने दोस्त को बोल रहे हो यार मैंने जूता खरीदा है क्योंकि मुझे बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है जूता पहन के. Okay, people will laugh at you. Your parents will say तुम्हें पैसा रखने की तमीज नहीं है, मतलब you are just splurging the money, you are not investing into something. इतने सारे घर पे जूते हैं, क्या करना है तुमको, ये वो एंड ऑल. अगर तुम ऐसा बोलोगे तो मुझे शौक है तो मैंने खरीदा है, मुझे अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
बट लिया उसी के लिए, तुम्हें अच्छा लगता है, तुम्हें मतलब एक
Yes, yes.
फील अच्छा होता है. बट तुम अपने मॉम डैड को कैसे जस्टिफाई करोगे, नहीं मम्मा मेरे पास पुराने जूते थे, ये नया आया है, डिस्काउंट में मिला है, सबसे बेस्ट ऑफर मिला है, इसके फीचर्स ऐसे है कि ये जूता चलता है तो मैं हवा में उड़ता हूँ. ओके, तो these are all the reasons that you come out with to justify your buying decision. And ये reasons कौन देता है? Who gives you these reasons?
Our mind.
Our mindset.
No, our mind will never give you the reasons. It is always the seller, the salesperson, or the company gives you the reason. आप कभी शॉपिंग को जाते हो तो अगर आप कुछ भी खरीदते हो तो उधर बड़ा लिखा रहता है 20% डिस्काउंट, 30% डिस्काउंट, 50% डिस्काउंट. ये कौन देता है? कंपनी देती है ना.
Yeah.
जब आप कोई मॉल में जाते हो तो आपको सेल्स का बंदा, अगर आप शूज खरीद रहे हो, सेल्स का बंदा शॉपर स्टॉप में बोलता है कि सर आप ये ले लो, दिस वन ऑफ द बेस्ट शूज, इसका ये फीचर्स है, इसका कलर गारंटीड है, इसका ये है वो है एंड ऑल दोस काइंड ऑफ स्टफ. हु इज गिविंग यू द रीजंस?
The sales guy.
Sales pitch.
The sales guy, right? So
Yep.
emotions always influences your decisions, always. अगर आपको अच्छा नहीं लगा, आप इमोशनली पॉजिटिव फील नहीं करते होगे ना, भले वो प्रोडक्ट कितना भी अच्छा हो, कितना भी अच्छा डील हो, यू विल नेवर बाय द प्रोडक्ट, नेवर.
Yeah, correct.
इमोशंस मेक पीपल फील समथिंग. आप कोई भी प्रोडक्ट लेते हो तो लगना चाहिए कुछ. इमोशंस शेप परसेप्शन. इमोशंस हमेशा परसेप्शन, एक परसेप्शन शेप करता है, right? And the last part is not necessary that everyone will have a positive emotion. People have negative emotions as well, because शायद संजय ने या आकाश ने या मनीषा ने कुछ रूडली बात किया है अपने क्लाइंट से. ओके, तो जब संजय गया है या प्रकाश गया है उस क्लाइंट से डील करने के लिए, he doesn't know. I will give a classic example of JLL. JLL के साथ हमारा 5 साल पहले कुछ मतलब कहा सुनी हुई है. Okay, till now that person is there in the
Okay.
system and he is the top management at JLL and his name is Thomas. Umesh knows about it, Sanjay knows about it.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so उसके टीम के साथ किसी ने तो अपनी टीम में से किसी ने तो बदतमीजी की थी. So what has happened? he has created that negative emotion in his mind. वो लोअर लेवल का बंदा छोड़ के चला गया, बट उसने इतना पॉइजन भरा है पूरे JLL टीम में. Even after 5 years, whoever goes to strike a deal with Thomas or with JLL person, that negative emotion is always visible. So अभी संजय ज्वाइन किया, संजय को ये बैकग्राउंड नहीं पता है, तो संजय जब भी जाएगा, द कस्टमर विल ऑल्सो नॉट टेल, द बायर विल ऑल्सो नॉट टेल कि मेरा ऐसा कुछ हुआ है. बट जब भी बायर के साथ संजय डिस्कशन करेगा, दिस नेगेटिव इमोशंस विल ऑलवेज प्ले एट द बैक ऑफ हिज माइंड एंड ही विल ऑलवेज स्टॉल द डील, ही विल ऑलवेज स्टॉप द डील. संजय जिंदगी में कभी जान ही नहीं पाएगा कि ये डील हमेशा क्यों रोकता है या ये डील क्रैक क्यों नहीं कर पा रहा है. Okay, so unless and until you start question which you people have not selected the topic, is the only way wherein salesperson can understand all the 5 whys. अगर आप ढंग का questions नहीं पूछोगे, your sales will never happen. Questioning is the art of selling. सही सवाल पूछो, आपको सही जवाब मिलेगा. फालतू का सवाल पूछो, आपको फालतू का जवाब मिलेगा. Okay, so but the best part is emotions can be altered, it can be made positive. So हम सब लगे उस काम में, उस JLL को पॉजिटिव में करने के लिए. अभी एक लेवल पे आया है वो, but it's a tough task. Are we good on the emotions?
Yes, sir.
So let's quickly summarize our buying decision framework. So we started off with 5
Yes, sir.
6 whys. The buying decision principle or formula, can anyone tell for me?
Yes, sir. It's a buying decision. It's equals to
6W.
F
So BD is equal to
bracket
F
6W.
into
एक जन
6W ES.
एक जन. Yeah, buying decision is function of
Function of
So 6W, that is
6W
6Y.
ES.
yeah.
ES is emotional state.
Perfect. 6 whys. I don't know if you will be able to remember that 6 whys. The 6 whys are why change,
Why now?
why now,
Why your
Why should I
industry?
change?
Your company.
Why
your product.
why you and your company? Why your
Products
product and
and
why
selling.
spend money?
Spend money.
perfect, bang on. So now we are assuming that all these 5 we have already passed. सब में yes मिला है. We are only focusing on why spend the money. मतलब सब कुछ हो गया. मैं क्यों खरीदूं तुम्हारा प्रोडक्ट, यार आपका प्रोडक्ट मैं क्यों खरीदूं, right? That is triggered or that is comprised by 2 things. One is dominant positive motives, buying motives, and emotional state, positive emotional state, right? Dominant motives are characterized by 2 things, 2 triggers. What are those?
The gain and desire of gain and loss. Fear
Yeah,
of loss.
gain and
Gain
pain.
and pain.
Desire for gain, fear
Fear
of
of
loss.
loss and desire for gain.
That's it. What in these circumstances, what we need to do? We need to move closer to
Gain.
The gain
and away from.
Pain.
pain.
Perfect. People always justify with
Logic.
Salesperson.
Logic.
logic. People always justify
Buying
with
emotions
logic.
and justify with logic.
Exactly. Perfect. So we are clear till now. Let's summarize this.
Logic.
So this
Logic.
is
Logic
this is the buying decision framework. This is a summary. This is the summary slide that we are talking of. Always move your customers away from pain. What we have discussed. Always make him closer to gain. Give him some reason to make him feel positive emotions. Make him feel good about buying your product. Okay? And give him enough reasons so that he will start justifying with logic. Are we good with this framework till now?
Yes, sir.
You all understood?
Yes, sir.
Any questions till now?
No, sir.
Okay. Can I move ahead?
Yeah.
Okay, so I have just taken a vending solutions example. In our case, you are going to a customer. Don't you think these are some of the reasons that we go? So वो बोल रहा है कि यार मुझे आपका vending solutions लेने में बहुत मतलब I really want to take your vending solutions because it is giving me a lot of gains. Maybe मेरा storage मतलब मेरा pantry का जगह बच रहा है. I don't have to invest in the kitchen. I don't have to invest in manpower. 24/7 है. The gains are more than what is currently available right now. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
But what is the fear of loss for him? The fear of
Regarding
loss
the money,
pilferage होता रहेगा. लेकिन केस ऑफ गूगल उनके पास वेंडिंग सॉल्यूशन है नहीं, तो जितना है खाना उन लोग टेबल पर रख देता, कोई भी कितना भी आके खा सकते हैं, राइट? तो उसमें पिल्फरेज होता है, एम्प्लॉय एट्रिशन होता है, स्टोरेज रहेगा शायद, आई डोंट नो. ओके, या तो उसका बॉस उसको डंडा मारता रहेगा नॉट टू कम आउट विद सॉल्यूशन. सो देयर आर मेनी फियर ऑफ लॉसेस, राइट?
Yeah.
Yes,
You
sir.
can,
yes, sir.
but मुझे ये दो चीज पता चला है. So what you do? You understood his pain points. You gave him enough reasons why he should buy our product. Okay, but will he buy your product if he's not emotionally sunk into your product? Yes or no?
No, sir, he will not buy. No, sir, he will not
No.
buy.
Okay, so you need to make him feel emotionally positive. यार सही है यार, मुझे साइनत के साथ काम करके मजा आ रहा है. आई एम ट्रस्टिंग हिम कंप्लीटली. वो जो भी मेरे लिए सोचता अच्छा ही सोचता है. ये मुझे बेनिफिट बहुत दे रहा है ये. एंड अगर मैं वेंडिंग मशीन लूंगा, इसका लुक एंड फील इतना अच्छा है. इट लुक्स रियली गुड इन द एंटायर एटमॉस्फेयर. एनवायरनमेंट अच्छा लगता है, एकदम ऑटोमेटेड लगता है. ये मैं डिसीजन लेके, मुझे पता है मेरा बॉस मुझे बहुत तारीफ करने वाला है, मुझे मेरा कंपनी में स्टैंडिंग बढ़ने वाला है. माय एंटायर एम्प्लॉइज विल से कि यार you are the genius, you have done a very good stuff, you have solved our problem, something. Okay, emotional चीजें can be personal also, it can be professional also. मैं ये खरीदूंगा तो मेरा प्रमोशन पक्का है, मेरा इंक्रीमेंट पक्का है, whatever it is. Okay, unless and until he is not into your product, he will not buy. He will always justify with logic. जब उसका बॉस पूछेगा, उसका बॉस को ये बोलेगा क्या, सर मेरा इंक्रीमेंट आप करने वाले हो ना, इसलिए मैंने ये लिया है, बोलेगा वो ऐसा?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Right? He will never say that. What will he give logic? The logic what you have given to him to tell him to his boss or to his employees. What is the logic that you have given? You have given the logic, यार मैं आपको 3 महीने का डेमो देता हूं, आप रख लो, देख लो क्या कर सकते हो. आपको मैं सब पेमेंट ऑप्शंस दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको मैं कैशलेस दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको मैं आरटी प्रोडक्ट्स दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको मैं 24/7 दे रहा हूं, मैं आपको मैं RFID कार्ड दे रहा हूं, मैं फलाना एंड मेनी अदर थिंग्स, राइट? सो वो जब अपने बॉस के पास जाता है, ही विल से द सेम थिंग, ही विल ट्राई टू जस्टिफाई इट विद लॉजिक. सर मुझे 3 महीने का डेमो मिला है, सो वी डोंट हैव टू पे एनी मनी टू देम, सो वी आर सेविंग ऑन कॉस्ट. देयर इज नो कमिटमेंट. 3 महीने बाद अच्छा नहीं लगा तो दे आर रेडी टू टेक बैक द प्रोडक्ट. सर कैश का कोई झंझट नहीं है, बिकॉज दे आर हैविंग कैशलेस, सो वी विल नॉट हैव टू वरी अबाउट इट. This is one of the best bargain. They are the best players in the world in India. They are the market leaders in India, and so on and so forth. So he will give you all the logical justification to his boss, because आप उसके बॉस के साथ बात नहीं करने वाले हो. Your buyer is doing his decision or discussion with his boss. So when you are not there, what he talks is what you tell him to talk.
Yes, sir. It is happening.
Yeah, are you getting it? What I'm trying to say?
Yeah, it is happened, sir.
Yes, sir. Yeah.
ओके, अगर
Yeah.
आपने उसको रीजंस एकदम फालतू का रीजंस दिया, तो हिज बॉस विल डेफिनेटली give him galis, abuse him for getting such a pathetic product or solution. Plus, your buyer will never trust you also, and he will never call you again. Right? You can take any example. So if we talk of what Anil has just mentioned and Sanjay has just mentioned, if you see, they both have not mentioned. उनको पता है कि अनिल को भी पता है कि उसने वो मोबाइल क्यों लिया, उसको अच्छा लगता है, उसको बहुत शौक करने का मन किया, या तो फिर उसमें उसको वीडियोस है, वो ये सब नहीं बताएगा कि मुझे अच्छा लगता है, मैं शो ऑफ करूंगा, मैंने कॉस्टली है, व्हाट आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एन एग्जांपल. बट अनिल ने क्या दिया, मुझे ऑफर्स अच्छा मिला है, मेरा क्या है लॉजिकल, जो सबको सुनने में अच्छा लगेगा और अनिल को पागल नहीं बोलेगा. सेम इज द केस विद संजय. संजय खुद बोला उसके पास जूता है, बट ही हैज गॉन अहेड एंड बॉट अ शूज व्हिच वाज नॉट रिक्वायर्ड. सो अगर संजय बोलेगा नहीं यार मुझे जूता पहनने का शौक है, मुझे कलेक्शंस करने का शौक है, मुझे बहुत अच्छे लगते हैं, तो आकाश गाली दे देगा, या तो फिर आकाश कुछ सोचना चालू करेगा, या मैं कुछ सोचना चालू करूंगा. तो संजय didn't want to go out of the society norms. He gave a perfect reason, logical reason which everyone will buy. That reason saying, मुझे ऑफर मिला है, मेरे जूते पुराने हो गए हैं, मेरे पास कुछ था नहीं पहनने के लिए, मैं नंगे पैर जाता था, इतना सब फालतू का लॉजिक दिया संजय ने. Are you getting what I'm trying to say? Are you able to now correlate what we have discussed in the entirety?
Yes, sir. Correct.
So we as a salespeople, what can we learn? Okay, so product, service or solution should always move your customer closer to gain and away from pain, which we have discussed. उसको आप जितना नजदीक लेके जाओगे गेन का और जितना दूर लेके जाओगे पेन का, that is how systems will work, that is how things will work, that is what you as a salesperson are supposed to do. If you are not doing this, you are doing something wrong, fundamentally wrong. एंड अगर आप उसको गेन और पेन का मैट्रिक्स भी अगर आपने उसको अच्छा किया, स्टिल इफ इज नॉट पुटिंग मनी इनटू योर प्रोडक्ट, इसका मतलब ये है कि आपका जो 5 वाइस पहले वाले हैं, यू हैव गॉन समथिंग रॉन्ग ओवर देयर. ओके, अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट बायर्स वांट टू गेन फ्रॉम योर प्रोडक्ट और सर्विस. This is where we all go wrong. We don't understand the opposite. We keep on talking how good our product is. हम सामने वाले का सुनते ही नहीं है. I have seen many salespeople in my life or in my career till now, wherein salespeople think that the more they talk, the better salespeople they are. Have you come across such scenarios? Yes,
Yes, sir.
no?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah.
true, sir.
So what happens is, I personally believe the more the salesperson talks, the less his chances of succeeding at sale. I repeat, the more he talks, the less are his chances of succeeding at that particular deal or closing that deal. The reason being, आप जितना आप मैं बात करते हो, एक कस्टमर पुट ऑफ हो जाता है, दूसरा he will never share his feelings, okay, and तीसरा you will never, a salesperson will never understand what his true objectives are to buy a product. होता है, ऐसा नहीं कि उनका सेल्स नहीं होता है, होता है, बट देन दोस आर ऑल ट्रू. उन लोग हर बार पूरे जितना भी करियर है उनका, करियर में हमेशा स्ट्रगल ही करते रहते हैं हर डील के लिए. सो टॉक लेस, हियर मोर. आपको आधा सॉल्यूशन आधा आंसर उधर से मिल जाएगा. Fear of loss is a powerful motivator. Most of the times what happens, people say कि यार मैं उसको डरा के रखूंगा, उसको पेन बढ़ा के रखूंगा ना, तो वो जल्दी मेरा प्रोडक्ट लेगा. But that is a wrong strategy. आप जितना डरा के रखोगे ना, और जितना आप उसको पेन और मल्टीप्लाई करोगे, most of the times what happens is he will never take the decision. डिसीजन इसलिए नहीं लेता है क्योंकि उसको डर लगता है कि अगर मैंने ये डिसीजन लिया तो मैं और ज्यादा मुझे तकलीफ होगा. डिसीजन इसलिए नहीं लेता है क्योंकि उसको वैल्यू नहीं मिलता है. So what he says कि यार जो मुझे करंट तकलीफ हो रहा है, that is more than enough. मुझे और सरदर्द ज्यादा नहीं पालना है. So have you seen many of the deals? I have seen many of the deals with which you also have gone through. आपने उसको पूरा डिसीजन डिटेल्स दिया है, प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में दिया है, but that customer has gone ahead with his existing partner.
Yes, sir.
है ना ये आपने उसको पूरा प्रपोजल दिया है, बेस्ट रेट्स दिया है, आपने उसको 1000 रुपए कम करके भी दिया है, but still he has not changed his current vendor. He has negotiated it with his current vendor and उसने उसी को रखा है. बराबर ये हुआ है ना बहुत बार?
Yes, sir.
क्यों हुआ है? Why it has happened? Anyone? Why it has happened? Quickly.
I mean, the existing vendor is going to support 100%. I mean, giving a best support to him better than us. He was thinking, sir.
No, that is not the reason. Sumit?
सर एग्जिस्टिंग वेंडर पे उसका थोड़ा बहुत ट्रस्ट रहता है कि ठीक है ये इसको मैं बोलूंगा तो ये हो सकता है थोड़ा इम्प्रूव कर दे सर्विसेज को, बट न्यू वेंडर हायर करने में उसको ट्रस्ट फैक्टर भी नहीं रहता और लॉस का फियर ज्यादा रहता है कि हो सकता है ये उससे भी ज्यादा चीजों खराब.
You are 10% right, but that is not the reason. Sanjay?
No idea.
Sorry?
Cost.
नहीं I'm not able to think मतलब क्या इसका क्या हो सकता है.
Okay.
Few customers will think on the costing part, sir.
Costing is never an issue at all.
Yeah, costing का भी issue नहीं है.
आप मतलब मैं ये बोल रहा हूँ कि आप ये स्टेज पे आ चुके हो, 6th वाई का स्टेज पे आ चुके हो, उधर कॉस्टिंग का इश्यू नहीं आएगा आपको. मतलब इफ यू अगर आपको कॉस्टिंग का इश्यू आएगा तो पहले ही आ जाएगा.
Direct.
ओके ये लेवल पे नहीं आएगा कि बॉस यार आपने 1000 रुपए कम भी दिया. मैं आपको वही बोला ना, यू हैव गिवन 1000 रुपीज लेस ऑल्सो टू हिम, सो हाउ कम कॉस्टिंग इज एन इश्यू. आकाश, यूर गेस.
So maybe we are not matching up to his expectations that he has from his
Sorry?
We are not matching up to his expectations, sir.
That is
not gaining his confidence.
That is partly ठीक है. Yes, you are partly 10% right. So Sumit 10% right, Umesh 10% right. Anyone else? Manisha,
So
Akash?
like sir, we are not able to convince him, you know, उनको successfully convince नहीं कर पाए, and that's the reason why he is not able to convince his boss.
Anil, you are 10% right. 30% right हुआ है अभी तक. आकाश, स्मिता, मनीषा.
तो मे बी वो फाइंड आउट करता होगा कि न्यू वाले वेंडर में क्या एडवांटेज है और इन लोग के प्रोडक्ट में क्या प्रॉफिटेबल है.
Okay, not really. Akash, any? You are the only one left. If not, then I will go ahead.
Sir, it could be because we were not able to provide him the product or solution that would push him towards his gain.
Abhi, Umesh, now you are talking sense. Okay, so yeah, हमने इतना गेन, पेन, इमोशन, लॉजिक का बात किया है. No one actually understood the real meaning of it. So this is exactly what I'm trying to say. So you have not. So when I say pain, आपने उसको पूरा डिस्कशंस किया है, पूरा डिसीजंस दिया है, पूरा किया है, but you have not given him enough reasons to switch over from his current vendor to a new vendor. Okay, and when I say switch over, there is always the cost of switching from existing to new. I am not talking of money. Okay, I am talking of time.
Yes.
I am talking of energy. I am talking of trust. I am talking of relationship. I am talking of everything. So there is a cost attached to it.
So it's the same like we are not able to convince him, so that's the reason why he has not able to convince his boss, and
Like convince,
there actually the deal got stuck, right?
convince is a summary of everything. डेफिनेटली आप कन्विंस नहीं कर पा रहे हो इसलिए वो उसके पास गया है ना. सो कन्विंस इज अ वन वर्ड समरी ऑफ ऑल दिस थिंग्स. बट द स्विच
Okay.
ओवर कॉस्ट, उसको ये लग रहा है कि यार मुझे जो तकलीफ होने वाली है वेंडीमैन को स्विच करने में, मतलब मेरा करंट बिग बास्केट को निकाल के वेंडीमैन को अगर मुझे देना है, सो वन, उमेश और प्रकाश हैज नॉट गिवन मी इनफ गेन और इनफ बेनिफिट्स फॉर मी टू स्विच ओवर. पॉइंट नंबर 1. Okay, Umesh or Prakash or Akash has not taken away my pain completely. So Big Basket में मुझे वही पेन दे रहा है, वेंडीमैन में मुझे वही पेन दे रहा है. So मैं क्यों इतना तकलीफ. तीसरा, he has not given me any emotional reason to, मतलब मुझे उस पे ट्रस्ट नहीं है, रिलेशनशिप मेरा स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं है, इमोशनल रीजन दिया ही नहीं है जिससे कि मैं वेंडीमैन को स्विच करूं. एंड फोर्थ, he has not given me enough logical reasons. बिग बास्केट के पास भी वही रीजंस है, वेंडीमैन के पास भी वही रीजंस है. जब सब कुछ सेम है तो सिर्फ 1,000 रुपए कम करके मैं वेंडीमैन के पास क्यों शिफ्ट हूं. मतलब दैट स्विच ओवर कॉस्ट ऑफ 1,000 रुपीज इज वेरी लो फॉर मी टू एंगेज इन टाइम. कि वेंडीमैन आएगा, उसको 3 महीना लगेगा सेटल होने के लिए, मुझे उतना सरदर्द है, मुझे उतना टाइम लगेगा, मेरा उतना पेन रहेगा, तो पेन ऑलरेडी रहेगा. सो इट्स बेटर फॉर मी टू नॉट एक्ट एंड गो विथ माई एक्सिस्टिंग वेंडर देन स्विच ओवर फॉर 1,000 रुपीज टू अ न्यू वेंडर. Am I making sense?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right? That switchover cost has to be so high, the difference has to be so big. या तो आप उसको अभी बोलो 1,000 रुपए ने मैं आपको फ्री में देता हूं. लेट्स फ्लिप दिस. अगर मैं उसको फ्री में दे दिया ना, वो जितना भी उसको तकलीफ है ना सब भूल जाएगा और आपके पास आ जाएगा. अग्रीड, नॉट अग्रीड?
Agreed, sir.
Agreed, sir.
अब ये क्यों आ रहा है?
उसका
Condition
main
सब
pain
same
area
है.
अपन hit किया.
Yes. So what I'm saying is his gains are so high, जिससे कि उसका पेन जो दर्द है वो छुप रहा है. वो बोल रहा है यार कि मुझे वेंडीमैन के साथ भी यही पेन है, बिग बास्केट का साथ भी यही पेन है, लेकिन ये पेन अगर मुझे फ्री में मिलता है स्टिल मुझे चलेगा. राइट? सो जो 1,000 रुपए का आपने जो डिफरेंस दिया है ना, वो उसको उतना बड़ा नहीं लगा टू स्विच ओवर. वो तो करंट वेंडर से नेगोशिएट करके 1,000 रुपए कम करके रह जाएगा. Right? I am not saying everywhere money is the reason, but I am just giving you one of the example to make you understand this entire process. Right? Switch over cost होता है. तो switch over cost from existing to new, वो क्या है, कैसा है, आपको पता. You only have to know about it. I cannot do that. And that switch over cost has to be so high that the pain reduces. The pain looks छोटा in comparison to that. सो अगर आप उसको डरा के रखोगे ना, लेकिन आप उसको इनफ बेनिफिट्स नहीं दोगे ना, वो कभी जंप नहीं करेगा, कभी नहीं करेगा जंप उसको. राइट? हेल्प
Yeah.
buyers think through what they will gain by
Correct.
moving forward with your product or service and what they will lose if they do not. This is a very strong statement. Help your buyers think what they will gain by choosing your product and what they will lose if they don't choose your product. ये हम कभी अपने जिंदगी में नहीं करते. हम सिर्फ पहला पॉइंट करते हैं कि वो क्या गेन करने वाला है मेरा प्रोडक्ट लेके, बस उतना तक कि हम रुक जाते हैं. बट विल नेवर टेल देम व्हाट दे विल लूज इफ दे डोंट सेलेक्ट अस. Am I right?
Yeah.
Did we ever tell that? Did we ever calculate it and give it to him कि saying कि बॉस अगर आप मुझे सेलेक्ट नहीं करोगे, आप अपना पैंट्री एग्जिस्टिंग सिस्टम से जाओगे, आप गूगल में ऐसी फ्री का खाना दे रहे हो, आप वेंडिंग सेलेक्ट नहीं करोगे, पिलफ्रेज की वजह से आपका लॉस होगा 10 लाख रुपए पर डे. आपका एम्प्लॉय डिससेटिस्फैक्शन होगा X%. These are all the losses that you will have if you don't go with Vendiman. Right?
So yeah.
Buying decision involves lot of mental calculation. जैसा मैंने स्टार्ट में बताया था, एक सिंपल ब्रेकफास्ट से लेके कॉम्प्लेक्स सर्वर खरीदना होता है, वेंडिंग खरीदना होता है, बहुत मेंटल कैलकुलेशंस करना पड़ता है. हम रियलाइज नहीं करते, भले B2B में हम रियलाइज करते हैं, बट इन छोटा छोटा सॉल्ट, नमकीन, एसेंशियल्स खरीदने में हम लोग रियलाइज नहीं करते, बट मेंटल कैलकुलेशंस होता है. जब साइनाथ एसेंशियल्स खरीदता है, वो अपना मेंटल कैलकुलेशंस करता है कि मैं घर के नीचे जाऊं कि 10 किलोमीटर चल के जाऊं, गाड़ी जाऊं कि चल के जाऊं, साइकिल पे जाऊं, पुलिस इस एरिया में रहेगा कि उस एरिया को अवॉइड करूं, क्या प्राइस मेरे पास में 100 रुपीज लेके जा रहा हूं तो उधर कैश होगा कि क्रेडिट कार्ड होगा. So these are all the calculations that goes on his mind, and once he is clear कि ठीक है, all these parameters are filtered, only then he will go to that nearest shop and buy the product. Am I right, Sai?
These are perfect.
Right? So
Right, sir.
assist your buyer in deciding to buy something that will truly benefit. The second learning and the last learning of today. Once you get the basics of gain and pain right, figure out what emotions you will evoke in your customer to take interest and action. As I told you, gain and pain is just दिमाग में रहता है, लेकिन उसको इमोशनली फील होना चाहिए to buy your product and logically justify करना चाहिए. That emotions need to be monitored, identified, and changed according to potential buyer's needs. मास्टरिंग दिस पीस जो मैंने बताया है, उसको मास्टर करने के लिए टाइम लगेगा, बट यू नीड टू बी कॉन्शियस ऑफ दिस पेन गेन इमोशन लॉजिक, पेन गेन इमोशन लॉजिक. ओनली देन यू विल बिकम बेटर एट इट. लास्टली, गिव योर कस्टमर्स इनफ रीजंस टू जस्टिफाई द परचेजेस टू देयर फ्रेंड्स, फैमिली, colleagues and others. They should not look like a fool to others only because they are emotionally invested in your company or in your product. So that's it, friends, from my end. So this is the psychology of buying. We understood, or we have seen the sixth part of it, which is why people should buy or why people should be buying your product or our product. This is what people do in most of the scenarios. Pain, gain, emotions, logic. This is a simple framework which took us an hour to explain it, but this is the simplest in its form. आप जब भी आप अभी खुद भी खरीदोगे कोई भी चीज, you start analyzing these things, you will realize how beautiful this entire concept is. I have not taken the 6 whys. Maybe some other time I will take it, or because right now that you people have not selected it. That's the reason that will not be a part of our 15 sessions that we'll be taking in. But assuming that you have conquered all those 5 elements, we will be focusing on why spend the money. So people will spend the money only under this pretext. There is no other reason, there is no other logic, there is no other input onto this. So that's it, friends, from my side. I told 1 hour, I have completed it in 1 hour. We have 10 more minutes. Any questions, any discussions, I am open to it. All yours, all over to you.
Sir, I have a quick question.
Please go on.
Sir, this is about the last thing that you told. Once you get the basic right, figure out what emotions will evolve your customers.
Right.
To take interest or action. I mean,
right.
What emotions is what I'm trying to understand, sir.
Emotions कैसा होता है ना उमेश, something it is personal or it is professional. ठीक है, अभी शायद उसको पर्सनली ये होगा कि यार मेरा दिल्ली तमन्ना था एक वेंडिंग मशीन मेरे ऑफिस में होने का, मैंने यूएस में देखा था, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा था, मैं एडमिन हूं, मैंने डिसीजन लिया है, मुझे चाहिए वेंडिंग मशीन. ओके, दैट कैन बी अ पर्सनल, बट you are giving him a reason कि यार तुमने उसको पूरा इमोशनल रीजन दिया है कि वेंडिंग मशीन क्यों अच्छा है, क्या अच्छा है, मेरा कंपनी क्यों अच्छा है, and all those kind of elements that you have already given it to him. You have given him enough reasons to buy this product emotionally, right? दैट इज पर्सनल. इमोशनली ये भी हो सकता है, नॉट ओनली इन योर प्रोडक्ट. मुझे उमेश अच्छा लगता है, मुझे उसके साथ डील करने अच्छा लगता है, मुझे पता है कि यार वो जो भी मेरे कंपनी के लिए करेगा अच्छा ही करेगा, वो मेरे लिए अच्छा सोचता है, वो मुझे कभी धोखा नहीं देगा. सो ट्रस्ट इज एन इमोशन, right? So are you building that positive trust, are you building that positive emotion is what is important. Now justifying it professionally कैसा होता है, that is personal level I am talking about. Professionally होगा कि यार अगर ये मैंने vending solutions डालूंगा मैं, I am just giving one example of Sodexo. There you know a person called Vinod, right, who has now moved out to Compass. Okay, उसके KRA में था गूगल के, Sodexo के KRA में था बंदे के, in a year he has to get some innovative creative ideas into Google. Okay, if he gets innovative creative ideas into Google, he will be given promotion and his increment will be good and better. So what happens is innovation and innovative ideas, vending was one innovation and innovative ideas. Okay, which helped Google save money in terms of pilferage, customer satisfaction, so on and so forth. उसको अच्छा खासा increment मिला था because he has introduced vending solutions as a concept which was never introduced in Google India.
Okay.
So professionally he got incentives, money. Professionally he got lot of appreciation from his colleagues, team members, employees of Google and his bosses. So that is a professional emotional state. I hope I am able to make you understand on this.
So basically,
Yes, sir.
you are trying to be in line with what their area of interests are.
Yes.
Try to
Yes.
match their KRAs, in fact.
Yes, right. KRS हो गया हो, उनके expectations हो गया, उनका सोच हो गया हो. You need, if you don't understand your buyer, you will never understand his emotions.
not be able
If you
to
don't
provide
understand his emotions, your product or solution or service will never attract him. Simple है.
Yeah.
Any other questions? Anything you want to discuss? Any point that you want to understand a bit better?
So one thing, like, so it's regarding gain. So you just now you said that if you're not able to give enough gain to your customer, then he won't be able to switch off, right, sir? So gain is calculated in terms of what? I mean to say, first is the price. Price is it's an important factor, of course. But apart from that, what are the other factors which are actually impacting customer to buy a product and all that things, sir?
Good, Anil, very good question. Honestly, बहुत अच्छा था ये सवाल. See, what happens is there are two elements. मैंने triggers दो रखा है, gain और pain. Okay? आप अगर दुनिया में देखोगे ना, हर एक चीज relative होता है. Everything is relative. Okay? अच्छाई है तो बुराई है. Because the goodness is always defined by the evil things. ओके अगर बुराई दुनिया में है नहीं ना तो आपको पता ही नहीं अच्छा क्या होता है. बराबर. अगर so water is always defined by fire, right? Hot is always defined by cold. Winter is always defined by summer. So everything in this world is relative. Everything. Okay, same is the case with gain and pain. अगर आपको पेन नहीं है ना, आप गेन समझ ही नहीं पाओगे. Okay, am I clear till now?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. So what happens is now pain and gain has to be there. It has to be both. भगवान है तो शैतान है. It has to be both. Okay. और वो आपके गेन को तभी अप्रिशिएट कर पाएगा जब उसका दर्द बहुत बड़ा है. लेट मी गिव एन एग्जांपल. आप जब डॉक्टर के पास जाते हो, आपके दांत में दर्द है. ओके, आपका दर्द अगर छोटा होगा तो यू विल इग्नोर इट. आप कुछ पेन किलर्स लेके यू विल जस्ट स्टे एट होम, राइट? यू विल नॉट चेंज, यू विल नॉट स्विच ओवर टू अ डॉक्टर और अ मेडिकेशन, राइट? The cost of switchover is hardly anything because the pain जो हो रहा है ना, वो आपको उतना नहीं हो रहा है, तो आप you will not even bother to switch over.
Okay.
Okay, but
Yeah.
imagine that pain is excruciating pain. आप सो नहीं पा रहे हो, आप मतलब खा नहीं पा रहे हो, आप कुछ नहीं कर पा रहे हो, इतना दर्द हो रहा है. So will you still take painkillers?
Not at all.
No, sir. No.
What will you do?
Well, definitely we'll be concerned to a doctor, and we'll go
Consult
for some
doctor.
other option.
Yeah, so why will you go to the doctor? Because you go to the doctor because you think आपका पेन कम करने के लिए डॉक्टर के पास ही सॉल्यूशन है, बिकॉज द सॉल्यूशन दैट ही will give you more gain and benefit than the pain that you are going through right now.
Correct. Correct.
Right? How do you calculate gain in this situation? Is the money that you are giving to the doctor, will you calculate the gain? और आपका पेन पूरा reduce हो रहा है इतने टाइम में, factor that, कैसे करोगे आप calculate gain?
So it's a satisfaction.
How relieved you are after his medication.
Right, perfect. So what I'm trying to say is gain का कोई metrics नहीं होता है. For every customer gain is different. आपके लिए अभी दांत दर्द है तो आपका gain यही होगा कि अगर पेन पूरा reduce हो जाएगा एक दिन में, उसके लिए मैं 10 लाख रुपए भी खर्चा करने के लिए तैयार हूँ. So will you mind money in that situation?
No.
Not at all, sir. Right.
You will want to have a solution to that, right? If Vendiman is giving the solution, you will immediately buy it. Right? कितने सारे ऐसे केसेस है, आकाश को कितने सारे कॉल्स ऐसा आया है, मुझे कल का कल मशीन चाहिए, मैं कल का कल लगाना है मुझे. Right, Akash? Why? Because the pain that these people had was so high that they were ready to pay 10,000 rupees also and take that machine. So gain cannot be calculated in money. Money, yes, definitely is one of the parameter, but apart from money, उसका दर्द कितना बड़ा है और वो कितना लेवल तक जाने के लिए रेडी है, is what is calculated.
So, sir, it's all about understanding his pain. Like what pain is going to. कितना उसका pain का level है, and then accordingly we have to pitch our product and whatever is right, sir.
Right, उसका pain कितना बड़ा है, pain is nothing but उसका need कितना बड़ा है, उसका जरूरत कितना बड़ा है. मैंने डॉक्टर का एग्जांपल दिया, वेंडिंग मशीन पे डाल दो उसका एग्जांपल, इट्स एज सिंपल एज दैट. आप ऐसे कस्टमर के सामने जाके सर पीट रहे हो जिसको तकलीफ ही नहीं है, तो व्हाई विल ही चेंज?
Correct, sir. Correct.
I hope I am clear, Anil.
Yeah, sir. Yeah. Sir, very good. Sir. Very good.
Any other questions?
No, sir. That's it from my side.
Anything from anyone else?
Hello.
Hello.
Yeah.
Anything from anyone else? If not, then we will call it a day.
Yes, sir. Sure, please.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thank you very much, team, and I hope you found it useful, this discussion or
Yes, sir,
this.
very much.
It's
Workshop.
very much, sir. Very much. Really. Now, I'm not in this place, but then too.
नहीं, but it is applicable in everywhere because आप जब renewal
Yeah,
complete
exactly.
करोगे, renewal में भी ये आपको use आएगा, because जब तक कि
True,
उसका
sir.
दर्द नहीं है, तो he will, या तो उसको वेंडिंग से इतना पेन हो रहा है कि वो renewal cancel करके he will switch on to competitors.
Yeah, very true, sir. Very true. Yeah. So
Okay.
really helpful, sir. Really.
So this is applicable to everyone, and I hope I was able to give you some element which you will be able to use it in your day-to-day life, and which you will be able to use it in your day-to-day life and day-to-day proceedings in your professional, personal life. And definitely we will be having more sessions, but just wanted to have a quick feedback and input from each one of you. Was this session too long, boring? Any other elements that we need to have it so that I can improve and put those elements in my next year? So quick round of input from each one of you. Anyone can go first.
So one thing is like, sir, every slide, every point must be backed by, some example, which actually help us to understand better. If you're doing it like freshly or some, first time, तो वो अंडरस्टैंड करने में बहुत अच्छा रहता है, बहुत इजी हो जाता है सर. इफ देयर इज सम एग्जांपल और इंस्टेंस.
Okay, Anil, point noted. Anyone, others? Sainath, what about you?
This is perfect, sir.
You're okay with this? Not too long, not too boring.
No boring, sir. This is fine, sir. This is excellent.
Okay, Umesh.
So very much as expected, to the point, and like you said at the start, it shouldn't be a one-way communication, very much interactive.
It is, sir.
All doubts cleared, a lot of new things to be learned and understood.
Sanjay.
Yes, the timings and all was perfect. I think only thing is if in the slide there is more diagram, it will be much more better, because at the end of the day people like to see the pictures and all. So just if if we can see more diagrams, it's much more better, I feel.
Okay, ठीक है, examples and diagram. Okay.
So
Yeah.
not
yeah.
related to your presentation, but yeah, I feel so that इससे better I guess Google Meet था, because इसमें बार-बार drop हो रहा था. I don't know, it's just me और सबका ऐसा था, because Google Meet
Yes,
में
मेरा भी हुआ है.
हाँ, इसमें थोड़े से disturbance बीच में आ रहे थे.
Okay.
सर इसमें प्रॉब्लम क्या है, बैंडविड्थ का इशू है सर. बैंडविड्थ इफ योर वाईफाई और द कनेक्टिविटी इज वेरी गुड ना, अभी जैसे मेरे अच्छा मिल रहा है, तो बीच में ब्रेक हो रहा था. इट्स टोटली डिपेंड ऑन द नेटवर्क सर. या
Okay, so Google Meet
पे
गूगल में से उतना नहीं होता है, गूगल में उतना इम्पैक्ट नहीं होता है, बट थिंग इज दैट यहाँ पे ना इट गेट डिफिकल्ट टू गेट रिकनेक्टेड एंड ऑल दैट थिंग्स. सो वही.
Okay, ठीक है. So we will do it Google Meet next time onwards then.
या ओके.
Okay. Sumit.
Sir, everything was good. Session was not so long. Also, examples were given most of the time, so everything was fine and good.
Okay. Anything, Manisha, from your end?
Manisha, are you there?
Okay, so quickly, two things I would like to highlight. One is definitely I will try to improve. I will try to make more crisper examples, more pictures, which we will be able to relate. Point number one. Point number two, I still would like to have more participation, because see, understand, this is not a Wendyman session that I'm taking. This is, please understand, as if you are having an external trainer who is coming and training you. Try to take as much as possible from me. अगर जब तक आप लोग बात नहीं करोगे, डिस्कशन नहीं करोगे, आप लोग अपना डाउट्स क्लियर नहीं करोगे, इट विल बिकम वेरी बोरिंग फॉर मी ऑल. मतलब मैं एक टाइम तक ही बात कर सकता हूँ मैं, उसके बाद इट डजंट मेक एनी सेंस. सो जब तक आप लोग मुझे पुश नहीं करोगे तो मेरा भी सोचना बंद हो जाएगा.
Correct, sir. Yeah.
You need to keep asking questions. You need to keep interacting. You need to keep applying your own example. You take your own example, and not necessary that every example has to be Wendyman. Not necessary that every example I only have to give. You give an example. You try to apply this concept and be more interactive, so that maybe कुछ सीख सकता हूँ मैं. There might be a point wherein I have also not thought about it. Like Anil ने जो मुझे gain का last में पूछा, I have never thought about it. Okay, but then it made me think for a minute and then to give an answer.
Correct.
Okay, so there has to be interaction, otherwise it will become very boring, honestly telling you. Third, मैंने already topics आपको इसलिए पहले दिया है, not to show off, but then just to make you people understand कि topic पहले दिया है, थोड़ा आप लोग Google research मार लो, आप अपना doubts क्वेश्चन जो पूछना है मतलब एक नोट बना के रख लो, so that once you do that, when you come for the conference, you are prepared at least with your set of questions, and this will help us better understanding.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so please understand that, because जब तक आप लोग नहीं सवाल करोगे तब तक किसी का भी इम्प्रूवमेंट नहीं होगा. एंड आई डोंट वांट दिस टू बी मेयरली ज्ञान सेशन कि मैं आ रहा हूँ कुछ दे रहा हूँ. टाइम आप लोग भी स्पेंड कर रहे हो, टाइम मैं भी स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ, मैं आप लोगों से ज्यादा स्पेंड कर रहा हूँ बिकॉज आई हैव टू रीड ऑल दिस, आई हैव टू क्रिएट प्रेजेंटेशन, आई हैव टू फाइंड एग्जांपल्स, आई हैव टू थिंक थ्रू। तो एक सेशन बनाने के लिए मुझे मिनिमम 4 से 5 दिन लगता है इन टर्म्स ऑफ मैन आवर्स, वर्किंग आवर्स।
Oh,
सो आई एम श्योर यू विल रेस्पेक्ट दैट बिकॉज अगर मैं इतना मेहनत करके आप लोगों के लिए इतना बना के लेके आ रहा हूँ मैं फॉर नो बेनिफिट ऑफ माइंड, okay, so I would also expect you to put some time into it, prepare yourself, 2 घंटा 3 घंटा प्रिपेयर कर लो एक टॉपिक के लिए, एग्जांपल्स निकाल लो, अंडरस्टैंड करो उसमें क्या पूछना है क्या नहीं है, then it will be a very fruitful session for all of us.
Yes, sir.
Definitely, sir.
Sure, sir.
yeah, sure, sir. Yeah.
Yeah, so this was the first. I had a very good experience. Thank you very much for being such a wonderful audience, and see you soon. So maybe once in 3 days or something, we will have one session, and during the work days, we will try to keep it towards 6 से 7 बजे के दरमियान. After office hours, we will try to keep it.
Yeah. Okay, sir.
Thank you so much. And looking
Thanks, sir.
forward
Yeah.
for more
Thank you,
such
sir.
sessions.
Thank you very
Thank you so
much,
much,
team.
sir.
Thank you. Take care.
Thanks.
You have your lunch. 2 o'clock का अपना session. We all will join there.
Yeah,
Done, sir.
sure, sir.
2:30
We will.
Thanks.
Okay.
Stay safe and take care, sir.
Bye.
Thanks. Bye.
Bye.
Bye, sir. Take care.